How to become a partner, IB and affiliate with Tauro Markets. In your dashboard, go to Add New Account. Choose the Affiliate Partner Portal. Select the currency. Choose your country, and if you're a company or an individual, click the box confirming terms and conditions and click Add Account. Proceed to upload the documents for affiliate verification. Upload one of the following document types and click Submit. The document will be then verified by Tauro Markets team